Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are continuing the R2 build. We have issue 41 right here. We have our parts, and this looks like more parts for the lightsaber, so I can't wait to get this open. So let's just get to it. Alright, here are the parts we get with this issue. We have the crystal housing, the grip ridges, the stabilizing ring, blade emitter, the activator mount, the activator itself, and a couple of locating pins along with several screws, and you will need the two parts from the previous issues. You're also going to need some super glue for this one. So let's just get to it. Okay, to start, we're going to take this piece from the previous issues, and if you look really closely, there are grooves on either side. And what we're going to have to do is take these tiny little pins here. We're going to have to fit them into those grooves and glue them in place. So well, let's just get it done. All right, and with those firmly fitted in place like this, we're just gonna have to wait and let the glue dry. All right, with the glue dry, we're gonna want to put these two pieces together. If you take a real close look, you'll see a little notch in there, and that notch is gonna line up with the pin. And once again, we're going to want to glue these together. Alright, and with those fitted together like that, we're going to set these to the side and let that glue dry. In the meantime, we're going to take the crystal housing here and we're going to attach the activator to it. So we're going to start by taking the silver activator base, and that's just going to line up like this. Okay, you can see it's curved on one end. That curve is going to go towards the crystal housing, and there are spots for two screws, and we're going to be using two of the silver 6mm screws to get it in there. All right, with this in place, we're going to take the activator and it's going to go right on there. Now if you take a look at the bottom, there are 3 posts, there are 3 holes, and you are supposed to glue it in place. So make sure that your screws are flush, because it won't fit flush if they are not. And that this is lined up the way you want it before you glue it, because you're not going to be able to take this thing off and fix it later. Alright, and there it is in place, and we're just going to have to wait for the glue to set, of course. But in the meantime, I think this is reasonably secure at this point. And what we're going to want to do is take the assembly that we've built so far, and we're going to glue these together. Now again, if you take a look inside, there's a little groove. You can see there's a little lip on one side, okay, whereas it's higher on the other. That lip is going to go towards the assembly completed so far, and again, we're going to have to glue it together. Okay, and now that we've got that in place, we can move on to the next phase. The next phase is taking the grip here, and you'll notice that this side has a longer lip than the other. So we're going to take the longer lip, and if you look real close, another notch, and on this assembly there is another groove. They're going to just slide together, and once again we got to glue it. And this is our lightsaber so far, looking quite nice. Now my glue still hasn't quite set right, that's why I'm holding it together like this. I'm I'm hoping it will be more stable and secure as we move on. Next up, we're going to take one of the very long screws that came with this particular issue. And we're going to go ahead and we are going to fit it through here, just like that. And then we're going to take this and fit it through there. So if it's all done correctly, it should look like that with the screw coming out of the bottom, and that is going to fit right there. And there you have it. The lightsaber is completed, I believe. Looks like it is. Model space, you know, we don't like glue, but this looks awesome. So I will forgive you this time. And that actually completes stage 41. All right, and there you go. Stage 41 is complete. The lightsaber is looking wonderful. Just got to wait for this glue to dry. And we will go from there. I like it. I think it's a great little replica. Not sure how screen accurate it is. I'll have to look up some pictures from the movies to find out. But if you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.